The Check All-Wheel System warning in your Toyota Highlander indicates a problem with the all-wheel drive system. This on-demand system distributes power between front and rear axles to improve traction and handling. Your Highlander's AWD system consists of several key components working together. The engine sends power through the transmission to a transfer case, which then distributes power to both front and rear wheels as needed. This warning affects approximately 8 to 12% of Toyota Highlander owners. The problem is more common in older models from 2014 to 2019, vehicles with over 80,000 miles, and those driven in harsh weather conditions. The primary causes are electrical issues, which account for 60% of cases. Faulty wheel speed sensors cause warnings during turns or acceleration, while AWD control module failure results in persistent warnings and no AWD engagement. Mechanical failures account for 25% of cases. These include transfer case issues with internal clutch wear and rear differential problems with bearing wear or gear damage, more common in high-mileage vehicles. Maintenance-related issues cause 15% of warnings. Low or contaminated AWD fluid is the main culprit, requiring service every 60,000 miles. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing these problems. When any of these issues occur, you'll see the Check AWD System warning on your dashboard. Newer Highlanders from 2024 onward have enhanced diagnostic capabilities and improved sensor technology, while software updates address some issues in 2020 to 2023 models. Understanding these common causes helps you identify potential issues early. In the next section, we'll explore specific troubleshooting steps and solutions to address the Check System warning. When facing a Check AWD System warning, systematic troubleshooting is essential. We'll walk through the diagnostic process from basic checks to advanced solutions. Start with an OBD2 scanner to identify specific error codes. Look for P05500 through P0502 codes indicating wheel speed sensor issues, or P0700 through P0799 codes related to transmission and AWD problems. Perform a thorough visual inspection of all AWD system components. Check wiring harnesses for physical damage, inspect electrical connectors for corrosion, verify AWD fluid levels, and examine sensors for dirt or damage. Try these DIY troubleshooting steps first. Disconnect the battery for 15 minutes to reset the system. Check and top off AWD fluid if low. Clean wheel speed sensors with brake cleaner, and inspect all electrical connections for corrosion or looseness. For advanced diagnostics, use Toyota TechStream software for comprehensive system evaluation. Monitor live data from wheel speed sensors, perform system function tests, and analyze sensor waveforms to identify intermittent faults. Professional diagnostic equipment can display wheel speed sensor waveforms. Normal sensors show consistent, clean pulses, while faulty sensors display irregular patterns, missing pulses, or voltage anomalies. Regular maintenance prevents most AWD system issues. Change AWD fluid every 60,000 miles, clean sensors seasonally, especially in harsh climates, perform system inspections every 30,000 miles, and run diagnostic scans annually to catch problems early. Remember, systematic troubleshooting from basic to advanced methods, combined with regular preventive maintenance, will keep your Toyota Highlander's AWD system running reliably for years to come.